Hello everyone, Andy here, hope you're well. Welcome back to the channel and onto Grey Nomad, our campervan. Something that I've always wanted to address was the sides of the vehicle always look a little bit plain. It kind of doesn't look like a campervan. I've done a few mods to the front of the van, but nothing to the sides. So today I wanted to address that, but also, as well as doing some graphics on the side, I wanted to add a little bit more yellow to the front of the van. I think it complements the grey nicely. I did the yellow DRLs from Auto Beam and I think they look fantastic, so I'm going to do the fogs to match. First things first is I wanted to give the whole van a good clean. And by the way, this extendable like wash mitt thing was from Aldi and it is fantastic. Absolutely love using this thing, especially on the van. I'll put a link into the description as well of this Karcher adjustable nozzle that goes on the end of the lance because it's fantastic for reaching especially the sort of high roof line on the van. Right, these are the things that I'm going to be using today to apply the yellow film. And this yellow film I got off eBay. I'll put a link into the description if you're interested. I did try and remove the surround with the trim piece, but it just wasn't budging. In the end, I discovered that there are tabs sort of holding it in an awkward place where you have to get it to go towards the outside of the van. Don't be scared, just give it a good whack. And I'll show you the little trim pieces that were holding it in place as well. While the trim piece was off, I thought it'd be a nice idea to give the whole area a nice clean. Then used a bit of panel prep, just make sure there was no sort of grease or dirt on that lens. Then I thought I'd create a template by putting some masking tape and drawing out the general shape. Then cut this out and apply it to the film, so just going to make it a lot easier than sort of doing it freehand. Then applying some soapy water just to lubricate the area, so if I need to make any adjustments it's a lot easier. Then use your little squeegee sort of decal, whatever it's called, tool to sort of get rid of all the water. It was then slightly overhanging, so I just peeled it away and trimmed the excess off. Then it's just a matter of putting the trim piece back on, but you've got to make sure to align the tabs at the top and bottom and then slot it back towards the front of the van. Now onto the side stripe decals for the van, and I'll put a link into the description of where I got these from off eBay. What I do is apply a bit of masking tape to the top of the graphics and just get a general idea of where you want them to be positioned. Then make your cut for any of the panel gaps. Then back onto some soapy water, just like the fog decals. It just makes it so much easier to adjust. Peel back the film. as you can see by applying the soapy water, it doesn't stick straight away, so it makes it so much easier. Then use that tool again just to squeeze out all that soapy water. Then after a while it's dried and you're ready to peel back the sort of top part of the film. Keep it against the body of the vehicle as much as possible. It makes it so much easier to peel away, and that way you won't peel the graphic off the vehicle. Now these are the bits I hate doing with graphics on vehicles, is getting it around the edge, because sometimes they stick really nicely, sometimes they don't. You've just got to persevere. Applying heat does help sort of shrink it to around the corner. But to do a better job, what I did was to actually open the door and get in from the inside. Just really try and press it in as much as you can. And these are the final results now of how our campervan, the Grey Nomad, looks. And I think it looks brilliant. The side graphics have made such a difference to giving it more of a campervan look and feel rather than just basically a panel van. The yellow fog lights I think are a nice touch. It gives it that Euro look. It helps with the DRLs. But yeah, on our recent trip, I love taking loads of videos and pictures of the van. I just think it looked so much better than it did before. A nice, simple, cheap mod that has made the campervan sort of come back alive. And I'll be doing a video on our latest trip to Devon soon, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks everyone for watching. See you again soon. Bye.